what I'm going to do is show you an easy, simple way to make these jeans fit. That I have. So that is that, and this is this. So today we're simply going to be doing a video on how to get your pants adjusted to the right size without using any type of sewing or anything like that. Okay, my weight kind of fluctuates, and so to have a sewn permanent pair of jeans is not something that I need. So without further ado, welcome to Glass House Maya. So what I have here today is this pair of jeans, and these are some pretty thick straight leg jeans that I have here, and I've had these jeans and I'm quite a bit ashamed of how long I've had these jeans, and you can see the tag is still on it. Okay, all of the tags. I've had these jeans for at least 3 years. Okay, the reason why I know that is because I know that I have not been to Rue 21 in at least 3 years. I don't live near Rue 21 anymore, so that's why I know, and it's sad. So the other day I just been going through my closet trying to figure out why I'm not wearing particular things, especially like jeans, you know, and I tried them on and I know why I don't wear them. Get that part in the back that sticks way out, and that's why I don't wear these particular jeans. And I love these jeans because they're heavy duty, they're high-waisted, they're in a size 10. Again, my weight fluctuates, so sometimes I wear an 8, sometimes I wear a 10, sometimes I wear 11s and juniors. It just depends on you know, me. I needed a simple fix that wouldn't require me to sew all of my jeans, because I have sewn a few pairs, and I know you've seen the videos on TikTok where you do the angle and you sew either the sides, or you do the angles and you sew down the back at a triangle. We're not doing that today. We are not doing that. What I'm going to do is show you an easy, simple way to make these jeans fit where there's no sewing, just simplicity. Okay? Minimalistic and simplicity on this channel. Let's get into it. So here are the jeans on your girl, and as you can see back here, I have all of this gap, this whole gap back here in the back to make this fit right. Okay, at least an inch on each side where these jeans do not fit correctly, and that's how you kind of want them to fit. So what I have for that solution to close those gaps are these cute safety pin style clips. Okay, I got these off of Shein. They come in a 4-pack. I will link them in the description if you would like them. But what they are just huge, giant safety pins, basically. Now, I think you might be able to use the larger ones, the regular safety pins, but they may not hold up on a thicker fabric. All right, and it comes a set of 4. You get 2 black ones, you get 2 white ones, or 2 pearl ones. But they come just like that. Now, I've seen plenty of other ways you can do this besides sewing. You can use the elastic in the back, all of those things. We're not doing any of that. We're going to use these today, okay, for these jeans. These jeans are thick. Now, if it's some thin jeans, you probably could just use regular safety pins, heavy duties. So what you're going to do is decide where you want to place them. I'm not going to put it in the back, obviously, because I don't want that bunching. In order for these pants to fit the way I would like them to fit, I'm going to go somewhere in this area. That way, in the back, it's tight enough, not too tight. It opens up like a regular safety pin. Boom. What you're going to do is bundle them up. Fold them like that. push this bad boy through. And if you need to loop together more fabric, you can. Go on the other side and do the exact same thing I just done. Other way you can do it is do that in and out method, like that. In, out, in, and then out. And you're going to close it. Simple as that. Okay, and see how that is. And then in the back, it's not like it was. So that's pretty much gonna do it, you know. That's gonna do it for this video. You know, it just adds a nice jean jewelry, okay, to your jeans, and also fixes the issue if they are too big. You know, it's just a temporary, all right, an easy, simple, like I said, minimalistic fix, and give your jewelry, give your jeans a nice look as well. And again, they might have had this in different colors, I don't know, but yeah, this is it. So I hope you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to this channel, okay? Hit that thumbs up button. Comment down below, all right? Comments help the channel. Likes help the channel, okay? So, you know, I would like to have a little bit more engagement with the people that's watching these videos. If you have any suggestions or solutions, all right, comment down below. Thank you for watching. And again, here it is. Beautiful jewelry on your jeans, and adjusting them the way so that you can wear them, okay? So there's a likely chance, a highly chance, that I will be wearing these jeans now more often than some of my other pair of jeans that I don't wear because of the same reason. But yeah, so I hope you like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Check out my new book, You Better Recognize the Art of Reflection, now available at Amazon.com. If you would like a signed copy, please visit the link in my description to my Etsy shop and support your girl.